can see cars.
Me too, look how small they are.
What have I become?
They look like ants or something, don't they?
And good news, ladies and gentlemen, we are currently making our final descent into the Dallas